on to the next bout, which is a rematch. Now in a flyweight division between Musa Rash and Bon Jovi. Manan, they fought at MFN 5. Bon Jovi lost to Musa via decision.
Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Bon Jovi!
Bon Jovi बढ़ रहे हैं MFN 8 के केज की तरफ.
Bon Jovi making his way to the cage. The Aztecs Tiger, the chin music. And I'm sure tonight here at Matrix Fight Night 8 in Delhi, he's got action-packed plans for the bout.
And his opponent making his way to the cage, Musa Rash!
Musa the Hunter making his way to the cage.
Dubai, and he defeated him on the ground. तो दोनों ही फाइटर्स अपनी लास्ट फाइट जीत के आ रहे हैं. तो इनका स्किल सेट था. इन्होंने उसको बहुत जल्दी इंक्रीज किया है, अपने आप को बहुत जल्दी डेवलप किया है इंडियन MMA में.
Ladies and gentlemen, fighting out of the blue corner, he weighed in at 56.7 kilograms, representing Manipur. Give it up for Bon Jovi! And his opponent fighting out of the red corner, he weighed in 56.7 kilograms, from Gujarat. Make some noise for Musa Rash! Ladies and gentlemen, as the action begins, the referee for the fight, Ranjit.
Follow my instruction all the time. If I say stop, stop the fight. If you want to touch gloves, back to your corner.
Referee Ranjit in the cage. We've got the Aztec Tiger taking on Musa the Hunter. Musa is in the red corner. Bon Jovi is in the blue corner. Musa has his eyes on the target. On the other hand, Bon Jovi is all set to drop bombs. Fighters ready. Let the action begin.
This one's going to be an intense fight. You can see the crowd is live on this one. Ooh, nice leg kick to open up by Bon Jovi. These guys are going to be quick and fast and hard hitters, I can tell. Both these guys look like good strikers.
बिल्कुल इनकी पेंडुलम मूवमेंट को देख के हमें पता चल रहा है कितनी तेज ये स्ट्राइक करने वाले हैं और बहुत ही बेहतरीन लेग किक मूसा की तरफ से.
Some showboating here by Bon Jovi.
ओह, हेड किक का अटेम्प्ट, लेकिन बिल्कुल टाइम पे बॉन जोवी वहां से निकले और ये लेग किक कैच करके काउंटर स्ट्राइक.
These guys are so explosive, showboating. They got to be careful. A lot of fakes, a lot of feints. They need to set their shots up. They're going like one big shot at a time. They need to set it up with some combos, some fakes, some feints.
बिल्कुल थोड़ा सा अपनी रणनीति में सुधार लाने की जरूरत है दोनों ही फाइटर्स को. अगर सेटअप करेंगे तो अटैक का लैंड
You guys can hear the sound of that kick. So much power.
आज यहाँ नई दिल्ली में श्रीपोर्ट स्टेडियम में आग लगी हुई है. एक भी सीट खाली नहीं है. स्टेडियम पूरा पैक्ड है और लोग चिल्ला रहे हैं जोश में.
Yeah, these guys, once again, like I said, they're just, oh, wow. Nice showboating, got caught though. Nice scramble. Oh, nice knee. Looked like it was a little low, but Musa brushes it off. Bon Jovi putting on the pressure. Musa got that clinch forearm, pressed against his neck, keeping the defense. Some nice knees exchange. Ooh, nice knee to the head. I can't believe Musa got his knee up that high. That's a lot of flexibility. And kept his balance without being taken down. That was great.
I like the overhook Musa has here.
Bon Jovi's doing a great job putting a lot of pressure on him right now. Got him pressed up against the cage, draining his energy. He's tiring him out a little bit.
Jason, last time these guys fought, they were on the same card.
Oh, really? Okay, cool. The referee just stepped in there to make sure Bon Jovi wasn't holding the cage. It's illegal to hold the cage. You're not allowed to do that. Stopping your opponent from taking you down. Good exchange here in the clinch. He's got to work with the punches. Nice reversal by Musa.
एक और knee strike. एक सेकंड के लिए खड़ा है, लेकिन वापस खड़े हो गए मूसा।
Yeah, that was a nice takedown. The ref is stepping in one more time. I think if that happens again, he might take a point away from Musa.
Control ka knee mark. Yes. Now you go. Now you go. Now you go. Now you go. Now you go.
और यहाँ क्लिंच में फाइट चल रही है। क्लिंच पोजीशन में कई बार ऐसा लगता है देखने में कि ज्यादा कुछ नहीं हो रहा, बट बहुत सारे डायनामिक्स एट प्ले होते हैं यहाँ पे। अपनी अपोनेंट की बॉडी को कंट्रोल करना, नी स्ट्राइक करना, एल्बो स्ट्राइक करना, और बहुत एनर्जी भी लगती है क्लिंच फाइट करने में।
Oh, absolutely. It takes way more energy because you're under so much tension. You know, you're always struggling for position. So it does drain you a lot faster than just regular striking. But these guys are doing a great job, both defending really well, not letting the other one take him down. Bon Jovi's putting on a lot of pressure, keeping Musa up against the cage, not giving him a chance to do any work at all.
धक्का दे इसके सर को, पोस्टर इसका ऊपर कर, घुमा।
Manan, since the last
घुमा
fight,
घुमा इसको,
Bon
कंट्रोल कर
Jovi
इसका
here
इधर घुमा।
is sharper than what he was, and Musa is more confident than what he was at MFM5 in Dubai.
हाँ, पहले सर को
Ladies and
इसको ऊपर
gentlemen,
कर और घुमा।
this is the third bout of the evening. We've
नहीं,
got
पहले
Musa
सर घुसेगी, घुसा अपना सर
Raish in the
घुसा।
red corner taking on Bon Jovi in the blue corner. This is a rematch now in the flyweight division. Less than 1 minute in this round.
सर घुसा उसके बाद।
You said this is a rematch? Who won the last fight?
Musa won the last fight. That was
ये
by
वाली
decision.
दूसरी।
Yeah, it looks like Musa's on the losing end of this fight. Bon Jovi's putting on a little bit more pressure, but as soon as I say that, we have a reversal.
Look at the way Bon Jovi is smiling. He's throwing in those elbows. However, he's definitely defending that takedown.
Yeah, both these fighters are using the cage really well and not allowing their opponent to take it down thanks to the cage.
राहुल, इस बार देख के लगता है ये दो बिल्कुल ही अलग फाइटर्स फाइट कर रहे हैं। पिछली बार जब ये लोग लड़े थे और आज जब ये लड़ रहे हैं,
That was just pure power and pure explosion by Musa. What a move.
Control and ground and pound, Musa. Ground and pound.
Musa here trying to score some points in the last few seconds of the round. All right, ladies and gentlemen, rounds up. That was the first round of this rematch between Musa and Bon Jovi.
दिल्ली के लोग जितना लड़ाई को एंजॉय करते हैं, जितना एमएमए को एंजॉय करते हैं, शायद दूसरे शहरों के लोग उतना एंजॉय नहीं करते हैं। There's something about Delhi people and MMA.
I totally agree with you, Manan, for sure. Now we're back to the fight, round number 2.
Both these fighters trying to assess the distance. Let's see who gets the first shot. Whoa!
Nice body shot. Both these guys really throwing heavy shots. Not trying to set it up at all. They're going for the knockout kill.
We can hear the crowd cheering for Musa. They're all yelling Musa.
Yeah, both these guys taking it nice and slow because they know they're hitting hard. So even one mistake and you're going to be knocked out.
Oh, बहुत अच्छा पंच लैंड किया मूसा ने वहाँ पे। एक और लेफ्ट हुक।
This is amazing. He landed a big shot. Now,
And that's an illegal elbow. That's twice. Not only is it a illegal elbow, it's on a legal part of the body's head. I can't believe the ref didn't step in there.
मुझे लगता है रेफरी ने वर्बली उनको जरूर वार्न कर दिया है, इसलिए वो रुक गए हैं।
Hopefully he did something because that was clearly illegal. For the fans at home who don't know, an elbow going straight down anywhere to the back of the head is an illegal shot.
what?
लास्ट टाइम मैट्रिक्स फाइट नाइट 2 हुआ था दिल्ली में और आज मैट्रिक्स फाइट नाइट 8 हो रहा है वापस दिल्ली में।
Big shots!
These guys
Big
are
shots!
throwing heavy
Both these guys. Bon Jovi is rocked.
क्या बात है, मूसा ने अटैक छोड़ना शुरू किया और चुंगरन ने जवाब में टेक डाउन किया।
He did exactly what he needed to do. He was in survival mode. He got caught, really hard hits, had to push forward. I think that's an illegal blow, illegal kick to a ground opponent, a kick to the face to a knee opponent. So, ladies and gentlemen, another rule is when an opponent is grounded, if he's got 3 points, his hand, knee, or another hand, or 2 knees in one hand, that's called a grounded opponent. And when that happens, you cannot kick them to the face. And I think this is...
और अब फाइट
Oh
वापस
wow,
शुरू
we're
हो
back
गई
to the
है।
action right away.
शुरुआत में ही चुंगरन ने फटाफट टेक डाउन लेने की कोशिश करी।
He needs to do that. He needs to stay close. He does not want to strike.
माफ कीजिएगा, बॉन जॉवी ने टेक डाउन लेने की कोशिश करी।
Yeah, Bon Jovi needs to stay close. I like that forearm. That's a nice.
बहुत ही बेहतरीन नीज मारे हैं मूसा ने बॉन जोवी के हेड पे।
That's a great technique. That's a great technique. He did that before. Now he's got top position. Some heavy ground and pound.
लेकिन ये दूसरे राउंड में जो मूसा हमको नजर आ रहे हैं, ये बिल्कुल ही अलग एनर्जी लेके आए हैं, डिटर्मिनेशन के साथ आए हैं कि स्ट्राइक करना है, अटैक करना है और डोमिनेट करना है।
No, absolutely. His corner must have said something to him. He himself must have known. He went into the first round. He went into the second round losing the first round. He knew he was behind on the scorecards. He had to turn up the pace, and we can see that here right now.
बॉन जोवी के नाक से हमें खून निकलता हुआ नजर आ रहा है।
But I think Bon Jovi, he is trying to work on a Kimura. However, he doesn't have it.
No, that knee technique that he did was beautiful.
Musa here landing big shots on Bon Jovi. Bon Jovi breathing heavy. Musa is on the side control.
Yeah, Bon Jovi taking a lot of punishment right now. Musa's got good top control, raining down some really heavy shots. I don't think Musa knows how to hit slowly. He just throws bombs.
Musa has been training under Professor Mike Martins, who's a Jiu-Jitsu black belt, and he's been sharpening his Jiu-Jitsu skills all throughout, representing Matrix Gym here.
बहुत ही खतरनाक एल्बोज और पंचेस मूसा रैश ने अपनी स्ट्राइकिंग का कमाल यहाँ दिखाना शुरू कर
Some
दिया
big
है।
heavy pounding here by Musa Raish on Bon Jovi. Another one.
But you got to give it up for Bon Jovi, man. That boy's got some heart. He's taking some serious punishment, and he's not giving up. He's keep on fighting, keeps on pushing, and that's exactly what we like to see, the will and the heart of a fighter. And that's exactly what Matrix Fight Nights bring you guys, real, raw, and uncut.
सही बात है जैसे मैं हमेशा लोगों को बोलता हूँ, एक मार्शल आर्टिस्ट और एक फाइटर होने का मतलब है आपका दिल मजबूत होना चाहिए।
Nice scramble. Musa gets back on top, putting some pressure. Good shots from Bon Jovi from the bottom, making some good contact.
हालांकि बॉन जोवी ने काफी स्ट्राइक्स खा लिए हैं, लेकिन ये कहना बिल्कुल ही गलत होगा कि वो फाइट से बाहर हैं इस टाइम पे। अपनी तरफ से वो सब कुछ सही कर रहे हैं, डिफेंड कर रहे हैं और वापस स्ट्राइक्स भी मार रहे हैं।
Great transition from Musa to get to mount. He's going to end the round. Dropping heavy bombs.
Shots here. Heavy.
Oh my God!
Nice elbow.
It's over. Ladies and gentlemen, we have your winner for this bout. Musa Raish. Musa the Hunter Raish.
Musa finishes Bon Jovi.
Hold on. We might have a referee objection here. Hold on. I see some activity going on with the refs. I don't think this fight is over just yet. Give me a second. Let's see what's going on.
The fight is not over as yet. I think we got confused because of the bell.
Hold on. We have the refs in the cage. We got Alan, we got Dan, we got all the big boys in the cage. The fight's not over, that's for sure.
चलिए आपको हम एक कैमएफ रीस्टार्ट रूल के बारे में बताते हैं। तो जो ग्लोबल सैंक्शनिंग बॉडी है जिसका नाम है ग्लोबल एसोसिएशन ऑफ मिक्स्ड मार्शल आर्ट्स फेडरेशन।
All right, it's official. We are moving on to the third round. I think the bell was confusing. Those last 10 seconds, the action in those 10 seconds confused Musa and all the fight fans, including all of us here. And the round begins.
All right, and we're back. I'm happy this fight is going back because I didn't think it was over either. So I'm glad we're back to see some more action. Third and final round.
That elbow was devastating though. अब देखना ये है इतनी स्ट्राइक्स, नीज, पंचेस, एल्बोज लेने के बाद बॉन जोवी में कितनी जान बची है।
He's gonna be careful though, Musa. He's winning the fight. Everything's going in his favor. He just doesn't want to rush it. Nice spinning back kick attempt. Just misses the mark. Gets taken down again. Not where he wanted to be, but hey, you know what? It's the third round. He's down. He's going for it. You got to take chances in life sometimes.
अब यहाँ पे मूसा को इस पोजीशन को मेंटेन करना चाहिए, धीरे-धीरे एडवांस करना चाहिए माउंट पे और पूरा राउंड मूसा इसी पोजीशन में बिताना चाहेंगे।
Yeah, if Musa can just be smart now you got to play the smart game. You got the top control. You know your opponent's tired. Keep that position. Do what's working for you. Just keep beating on him, drop those bombs, and be careful not to get reversed.
Bon Jovi
एक और खतरनाक नी स्ट्राइक।
Go, Musa! Musa! Mount! Musa!
That
mount!
looked
Come
like a
on.
close one to me. I'm not sure. Maybe hit his chest or his chin, but that looked like another illegal knee to me. We have to take a look at the replay if you guys can do that. If not, we're moving on. The ref didn't see it. We're still fighting here. Let's see how much damage that caused. Got a crucifix position.
Exactly.
He's got his knee on the arm of Bon Jovi. That arm is trapped. He's now got 2-on-1. He can use two hands on the one. There you go.
Wow.
Great defense by Bon Jovi. He's in there. He
Ek aur
gets that
elbow.
hand out though. So good defense.
Go, man!
और सबसे खूबसूरती की बात यह है वो स्ट्राइक्स मारना नहीं छोड़ रहे हैं, वो अपनी पोजीशन एडवांस कर रहे हैं और साथ साथ पंचेस, एल्बोज नॉन स्टॉप बरसा रहे हैं।
और साथ में एकदम clean shots मारे। Manan, look at the way Musa is throwing in those shots, absolutely clean.
And it's not just the way he's throwing the shots, guys. It's his movement, the way he transitions from one position to the next, and not just transition. Look at that transition right there. But then he holds it, he maintains it, and doesn't give it up, and then still rains the bombs down. Great technique. I love it. He's doing a good job.
बिल्कुल जेसन, बहुत ही खूबसूरती के साथ मूसा यहाँ पे इस फाइट को डोमिनेट कर रहे हैं।
Look at the way he's holding this mount.
Now he's got another great position to be in. Mount, very dominant position. He's trapping the arm, got the wrist control, keeping good top pressure. Bon Jovi needs to, oh, nice. Look at that short elbow. I love that. Grabs the wrist with one and elbows him with the same hand. Great technique.
Kya
Musa
yahan
showed
pe-
me some really slick, close knees and elbows, man. I wonder where he learned that stuff. That's beautiful.
Bon Jovi here trying for a reversal. However, Musa is there doing the same thing again, landing shots one by one.
मुक्कों की बारिश, एल्बोस की बारिश, oh my god, बहुत ही खतरनाक स्ट्राइक्स आ रहे
Yeah,
हैं।
this fight looks like it's in the books for me.
एक के बाद एक बॉम्ब
there's
गिरा रहे
another
हैं
short
मूसा।
elbow. Musa's got great technique, man, with those short elbows. Nice reversal, but the switch, and again, Musa's top control, Musa's positional control is just so good. Anywhere that Bon Jovi goes, he just follows his hip like glue, giving him no space to get out of there. And then those non-stop ground and pound, those slick elbows, those heavy punches. I mean, look at Bon Jovi's face, man. Homie needs help.
बहुत खतरे में हैं बॉन जॉवी।
But he's still in the game. He's there. He's holding that position. Not sure for how long. However, Bon Jovi is still there, attempting to
He's
reverse
actually
the
not
position.
holding that position. He's being held down in that position, brother. Just letting you know.
पर फिर भी बॉन जॉवी को भी हमें रिस्पेक्ट देनी होगी, इतने स्ट्राइक्स खा के भी वो
Oh no,
गेम में
he's a
है।
warrior. He's a warrior, but that's what the ref's job is to be, to save him from himself. Because as a fighter, we never give up. We keep fighting.
और यहाँ मूसा रैश की टेक्निक का कोई जवाब नहीं, उनकी पोजीशन टस से मस नहीं हो रही, उन्होंने जब से माउंट लिया है वो वहां से हिल नहीं रहे हैं और ऊपर से स्ट्राइक्स पे स्ट्राइक्स किए जा रहे हैं।
Yeah, Bon Jovi's just in defense mode right now. He's taking some serious damage. His face is all bloodied and powdered up.
मूसा रैश ऊपर उठते हैं, स्ट्राइक करते हैं और उसके बाद इमीडिएटली आप नोटिस करेंगे मारने के बाद वो वापस नीचे हो जाते हैं ताकि वो अपनी पोजीशन को भी मेंटेन कर सकें। दिस इज एक्सीलेंट ग्राउंड गेम।
Yes, great ground game. Can't take anything away from him. Those elbows are devastating. I don't know how Bon is in there still taking this punishment, man.
आखिरी 10 सेकंड।
Thank you.
All right,
Thank you.
it's
Finally.
over. Ladies and gentlemen, we've got the winner for this bout, Musa Raish the Hunter. What an excellent fight this has been. This was a rematch.
और मूसा अपनी खुशी मनाते हुए केज में नाचते हुए, क्या कमाल की फाइट थी ये। बहुत ही खुश हैं मूसा, अपनी दूसरी फाइट बॉन जॉवी के साथ जीत चुके हैं।
Ladies and gentlemen, Ref Ranjit called a stop to this contest in 4 minutes and 59 seconds of the third round, declaring the winner by TKO,